Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil rose 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Central banks reducing emergency stimulus too quickly and further supply chain disruption are among the top risks to the world economy next year as the COVID-19 pandemic lingers. China's exit from Bitcoin mining, which saw its hash rate die 50% this year, is now all but unnoticeable as network fundamentals take care of their own recovery. European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde pushed back against market bets that runaway inflation would force a rate hike as early as next year, reaffirming the view that price pressures would ease by then.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's housing starts will be released at 0500 GMT, the Austrian Producer Price Index at 0700 GMT. The UK's CFTC GPB NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The French gross domestic product will be released at 0530 GMT. Australia's Producer Price Index at 030 GMT. Japan's construction orders at 0500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.